Alright, before we get started, quick heads up. If you're looking to snag a cheeky discount on IDShield, click the link in the description below. Trust me, you don't want to pay full price for peace of mind. So, you're thinking about IDShield, eh? Maybe you're tired of feeling like every online quiz and random Wi-Fi hotspot wants a piece of your personal data? Well, you're not alone. I'm one of those people who'd rather eat cold chips than have my identity stolen. So I gave IDShield a proper go. Let's start with what it actually does. IDShield monitors your credit, the dark web, and all those shadowy corners of the internet looking out for your info. If someone tries to buy a Ferrari in your name or just opens a store card, you get an alert pronto. And yes, you can check your credit score anytime, which is a bonus if you're nosy about your own finances like me. The setup? Dead simple. I was signed up and poking around the dashboard in 5 minutes flat. They also offer family plans because apparently kids' identities are just as tasty to hackers. Who knew? Now, is it perfect? Well, the app looks a bit like your uncle's Facebook page. Nothing fancy, but it works. Customer service, North of England friendly, but sometimes you do wait a bit, especially on weekends. And honestly, that's the only time I want to sort out my life admin. But here's the clincher. If something goes wrong, IDShield actually has licensed private investigators to help you recover your identity. No faff, just real help. That's the bit that won me over. So, final verdict? If you value your privacy and want a safety net, IDShield is a solid shout. Click the link below for your special offer, and don't let your data roam wild. Stay safe, stay savvy, and I'll catch you next time.